Aisha So Flossy. Welcome to my maintenance diaries. Yeah, I'm gonna just get everything done within the next 48 hours. So I look like this right now. My hair is actually not that bad. It's just in a claw clip because it's like raining, but I'll just feel a whole lot better by 6 p.m. tomorrow. And then we're gonna go out to eat. So I should be looking very nice. Right now, I'm running late to my nail appointment. And recently, I've switched up. I got a new nail lady. I was seeing this man named Wayne for like 4 years. I usually switch up every year, honestly. I've stayed like more loyal, but they just, I don't know, they just be ending up getting lazy. Like when they see that you're like coming every 2 weeks, it just wasn't as like crisp as I needed it to be. So like the last time I went to go get my nails done, I was like, yeah, I need to see Wang. And it was like, Wang is off today, but I got somebody for you. I'm like, perfect. And normally I'm like very into men doing my nails. Like I just feel like they have like more of like a natural art form or something for it. Like I don't know, it's more so like I'm like a Barbie doll rather than just like a client. But they put me with this lady. She was a little older and I was honestly a little bit, you know, nervous. It was just not what I'm used to. She ate my nails up. Like they look so good. They were like crisp. I really like the way that she shaped them. She like mixed some colors. It's my new bookie. So yeah, that's where we're going now. I need to get my eyebrows done, and I'm also getting a facial today. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to get my eyebrows done today. That might have to be done tomorrow. We'll see though. Okay, I'll see y'all at the nail shop. Tell them what you told me.
Try it and
Okay.
practice more.
Practice more and more.
I'm so proud of you, baby. Love you.
I love you too.
Go to the all nails every time.
Thank
you so much.
I'll see you later. Bye-bye. She funny as hell. She really like reminds me of my late grandmother, R.I.P. grandmother. Cause she's like little, but she's kind of feisty. Like she just be moving my body around like she birthed me or something. I don't know. That's how she treats me in there. I don't know. I love her. I think she loves me back. But she got my nails right. Look at the French tip. Gorgeous. But I'm starving and I need to go to my facial. It's 1:30. My facial appointment is at 2 o'clock. So I have like 30 minutes to get there.
Do you know you have 30 minutes? Are you kidding me? 30, yes.
I wonder if I can just get some Chick-fil-A real quick. I don't know how we're gonna record the facial. I mean, I'm sure it'll be fine. Pulling up at Chick-fil-A. I'm so tired. This rain is not helping. I want like some grilled nuggets. That's generally what I get. I really like their macaroni. I think that's like a low calorie meal too. Here's the nails. They look pretty, right? I think so. May I have a grilled nugget, like 8 count? I'll just do the meal with like a small macaroni.
8 grilled nuggets, small mac and cheese, and you wanted a drink?
Can I have a diet lemonade?
And any sauce, please.
Can I have ranch and Polynesian?
And what's the good name?
Aisha, A-S-H-A. Yay! They got the Hennessy, yay! The pineapple dragon fruit frosted lemonade. That sounds really good. Aisha, yes?
Grab your drink in a second.
Thank you.
Set the goods. Let's fucking see.
Okay, I got the goods. I'm gonna get off of here soon so I can eat before I go to my facial appointment. Oh yeah, I get in there and Hope tells me to come sit down. The spot that she had was in between two people that were already getting their nails done. So like I'm sitting in the middle, you know, and I'm like trying to set up my camera. Like it's a little hectic. And so she and her coworker, the other guy, they're talking. He's like, hey. And I looked and I got caught red-handed. It was crazy. I've never experienced that before. I mean, I don't even know if it's like cheating at this point because I think she just might have stole me, you know? I was like, it's so good to see you. And he was like,
Yep, yeah. I bet it is good to see me. Where you been? This is what you've been doing? You with Hope now?
she gave me a hug and she got a lot of personality. I don't know. She reminded me of my grandma, dog. Like, what you want me to do? She eats them up. I love you, Wang. You know what I'm saying? You still just gotta have two. All right, I'm gonna eat my Chick-fil-A. It's really smelling good. It's really hitting. All right, bye. I made it to my appointment at Chick-fil-A. Was so good. Maybe I was just like starving, but it was really good. I really need my eyebrows done. I have a pimple right here. Just about to beautify myself. Let's go inside. It's always like so peaceful in her esthetician lair. I'm about to get undressed and lay down. I loved it. It was so beautiful there.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I rode in a hot air balloon.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, and you know, it was during Ramadan, so it was very,
It was amazing.
it was amazing. It was super fresh. The people were super kind. It was just so pretty to look at. Like there was just all sorts of things like desert and then the mountains as well.
Uh-huh.
It was crazy. Is it okay if I'm vlogging?
Yeah.
Okay, great. honestly think that might have been one of the best facials of my life. But whatever. I'll see you in the car. It was such a good facial. I'm just like, it was so relaxing and I feel like the footage looked good. I've been getting facials for almost like 5 years now. And honestly, every facial that I've recorded, it was like a hassle. I was uncomfortable during the facial. Like I didn't really get to enjoy my full like relaxation moment. But this was perfect thanks to the DJI. I had it just like propped up on my chest and I still got to like relax. But I am, thank you. Yeah, I'm on my way home. I gotta go to work this evening. But I feel really good. I love all my ladies. Feeling 40% prettier. And then also I want to note that the order in which my appointments are laid out, like I don't know why I haven't mastered this yet, but now that I have, it's amazing. Because like she was really messing up my eyelashes, you know what I mean? So I don't need to get my eyelashes done before I get my facial done. It needs to go nails, facial, eyebrows, hair. Eyebrows and hair can kind of be interchangeable, but you really need to get your eyebrows done before you get your hair done. I stick to it. And then lashes. Boom. I'll see y'all tomorrow before I get my eyebrows done. Okay, bye. Still looking insane. It's Friday. I just left the gym and I'm on my way to my hair appointment. I have my hair down because I'm a dandruff girly. And I have to like prep my scalp before I go get my hair wash. This is like my medicated shampoo. So I'm putting this in my hair on my way there. I got a really nice workout in this morning and it was like quick. I've been going to the gym, trying to get back in the habit of going to the gym. Check out my other vlog where I'm struggling to get back in the gym. I went 4 out of the 5 days that I was supposed to go. This week I only went 2 days. But it's okay, I've been eating better. Yeah, it was a great workout though. I feel a lot better. I was kind of like in my head this morning. I feel a lot better now. So I'm just getting this shampoo all on my scalp. I have like another medicine too that we put on after we wash my hair. It like stings, honestly. Okay, bye. Almost at the finish line. It's raining outside and I literally had to like carry an umbrella. My curls have never dropped like this, so whatever. It'll look better after I put in some rollers. But now we're about to get the eyebrows done. Sitting outside of the eyebrow shop. It looks packed AF in there. We're about to go. I'm gonna go tough it out. We're almost done. I'm tired. It's Friday. I'm ready for some R&R. Yeah, okay, get my eyebrows done, and then we're getting these lashes done, and then we're going out to dinner, and it'll be the end of our maintenance diaries. I really like that I can like sit in the car and I can kind of see what's going on the inside, so I can like maybe hang out in here. I don't know, if somebody go in there before me, I'll be big mad. Oh my god, so tired. Side note, I don't like getting my eyebrows done. Like, I get them threaded. It's so painful and they're really hairy, so it's gonna hurt and I'm not happy about it. I'm gonna whiten my teeth too. Maybe I'll show that on camera as well. I shaved my arms, shaved my legs. Bad bitch. See, I'm fucking up. Bye. I gotta go. Somebody just got out the car. Damn. Now I'm pretty. Oh my gosh, she does them so good. She eats it up. Okay, lit. So now we just about to go home. I think I'm gonna whiten my teeth, take a nap, relax, you know, the whole nine. Take a shower. I haven't showered since I worked out this morning. I need to shower. And yeah, I'm gonna get my eyelashes done. I'm gonna have dinner. I'm elated. Okay, bye.
She's a celebrity. Stop. Everybody loves Asia.